Been around the world, hearing all kinds of noise. Everybody walking loud, everybody got a voice. Some sounds fade away when the daylight leaves. Some sounds stay forever, like the roots of a tree. Not every rhythm got purpose. Not every melody heals. Some make your body move, some make your spirit feel. I've been searching for that river, flowing clean through the soul. A sound so pure and holy, everybody knows. When it arrives, you can feel it in the air. When it arrives, every heart starts beating there. We're looking for that sound. I mean that sound. Pure when it hit the ground. That sound. Holy when it come down. That sound. One voice, one crowd. Everybody singing now. From the shoreline to the city, from the village to the lights, different people, different stories, moving underneath one sky. Talking drums keep calling, children dancing in the streets. Something bigger than a language, bringing everybody peace. Like fresh rain on dry land, like morning after night, like a fire in the distance, showing